Hi there, I hope everyone is doing good. So last time we made a mistake. We didn't degas the mold the right way, and we had air bubbles trapped inside the mold, which is not good. That's not something we wanted at all. So I had to do it the right way this time. I ordered the degas machine to do it properly, and also the interesting thing is I learned a better way of doing it. So instead of creating the box separately like we did it before and have a chocolate bar 3D printed placed inside the box and the mold pour onto that, we are going to create everything all in one piece. The box and the chocolate bar all in one piece, and have holes on each side of the box so that we can use an air compressor at the end to demold and get the mold out of the box. So it's very more efficient, cost effective, and I'm so glad that I made earlier mistake to be able to find this way of doing, which is very better way of doing. I'm excited to get into that, and I guarantee you that this time the project is going to be successful. Stay around, don't go anywhere, and watch the video till the end. I'll see you soon. So the plan here is to create all-in-one piece mold, and I'm creating the positive shape of it, including everything, having the chocolate design and the boss surrounding that all in one. So this is the new trial, and I'm using a different technique now, you can see, and having everything made in one box. With this, we can duplicate the mold different times. Got to be careful. Okay, that's good. Okay, it's all clear now. You can see. So at this stage, what I'm doing, this is what I'm talking about. So I just printed everything in one piece. You can see the chocolate mold and the box, everything in one piece. Now there are a few imperfections that the outside doesn't matter. We have elephant foot issue here, the way it's printed, but that's not a big deal at this time because what matters mostly here is the inside. And hopefully you can see there are some imperfections due to 3D printing here. There's a tiny hole that I need to cover, and I'll explain why this hole needs to be covered up. This is what happened with the first printing we did. You see this small connection here. That happened because when we printed the resin, there were some hole right here, right inside, and I'll have to, I hope you can see here the hole. There's a tiny hole in here that goes through. That is not good either, so I have to cover the hole so that when we create the mold, there's nothing. It has to be flat and open here with no connection at all. So that's something I'm fixing, and the way I'm doing that is by covering it up with clay. That's what I'm working on here. Okay, it's very good. Okay, this time I have my vacuum chamber. This is the lid. This is the pump here. I want to connect. Okay, it's time to do it, Degassing. I'm sure the top is covered up. You have to make sure to release. I got to release slowly. Every time it comes up, I have to release the valve so that the air can flow. I was forgetting something. You have to put some toothpick here. No, my bubble, that's good.
That's what we want.
We get it this time. Okay, now we have to wait 18 hours to make sure that everything dries, and we'll come back and check it.